Find the sum r from 1 to n, 1 over r times r plus 1 times r plus 2 times r plus 3. We have the rth term as 1 over r times r plus 1 times r plus 2 times r plus 3. We'll not be able to take the summation of the denominator here directly, so we need to manipulate the numerator and then split the terms by using partial fractions or by some kind of manipulation of the numerator. In order to manipulate the numerator, we can multiply and divide by 3. So it will be 1 by 3. And in the numerator, we are multiplying by 3 over r times r plus 1 times r plus 2 times r plus 3. And we can also add and subtract r to it. So doing this, we can take r plus 3 as one term and r as the second term, and then we can split the terms. So it will be 1 over 3 times r plus 3 over r times r plus 1 times r plus 2 times r plus 3 minus r over r, r plus 1, r plus 2, and r plus 3. So here I can cancel r plus 3, I can cancel r. So we are left with 1 over 3 times 1 over r, r plus 1, r plus 2 minus 1 over r plus 1 times r plus 2 times r plus 3. Now we have TR. So what we can do is substitute r equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. R equals 1. We get 1 over 3 times 1 over r, which is 1, r plus 1, so 2, r plus 2, that means 3. So 1 times 2 times 3 minus 1 over r plus 1, r plus 2, r plus 3, that means 2, 3, 4. Similarly, T2 will be equal to 1 over 3 times 1 over 2, 3, 4, and this will be 3, 4, 5. Same way, T3 will be 1 over 3, and that's 3 times 4 times 5 minus 1 over 4 times 5 times 6, and so on. Same way, we'll find Tn, that will be 1 over 3 times 1 over n, n plus 1, and n plus 2, minus 1 over n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So we see that all the terms will cancel out except 1 over n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, and 1 over 1 times 2 times 3. So sum of all the terms T1, T2, T3, and so on, the sum is, we get 1 over 3 times 1 over 1 times 2 times 3, which is 6. So 1 over 6 minus 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 3. And that is the sum of n terms of the given series. If you are asked to find the sum of infinite terms, so we say n tends to infinity. If n tends to infinity, we know that 1 over n will tend to 0. That means 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 3, that will tend to 0. That means the second part here, that will be 0. So sum of infinite number of terms of the given series will be 1 by 3 times 1 over 6 or 1 over 18.